Hello guys, I am Sril Are. I am studying in PP2 class. Now I am going to say general knowledge question answers.
Prime Minister of India.
Narendra Modi.
Home Minister of India.
Rajnath Singh.
Finance Minister of India.
Arun Jaitley.
Education Minister of India.
Smriti Irani.
External Minister of India.
Sushma Swaraj.
Railway Minister of India.
Suresh Prabhu.
Defense Minister of India.
Manohar Parrikar.
Urban Development Minister of India.
Venkaiah Naidu.
Road and Transport Minister of India.
Nitin Gadkari.
Law Justice Minister of India.
Sadanand Gaura.
Water Resource Minister of India.
Ma Bharati.
Agriculture Minister of India.
Radha Mohan Singh.
Petrol and Natural Gas Minister of India.
Dharmendra Pradhan.
President of India.
Pranab Mukherjee.
Chief Justice of India.
C.T. Thakur.
Governor of Telangana.
Narasimhan.
Education Minister of Telangana.
Karyam Srihari.
Name of the Telangana districts.
Hyderabad, Nalgonda, Rangareddy, Medak, Mahbubnagar, Warangal, Nizamabad, Adilabad, Karimnagar, Khammam.
Name of the neighbor countries.
China, Pakistan, Japan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Thailand, Vietnam, Afghanistan, Laos. Thank you.